Have you ever felt like you're running on empty? It's so easy to get lost in the noise of the world and forget to take care of yourself. So, this is your invitation to come back home to your body. Today, we are transforming a simple facial you can do at home into a powerful self love ritual. This is your moment to pause, to breathe, and connect to that person in the mirror. We carry so much of our stress in our faces, you know, frowned brows, clenched jaw, tension around the eyes. This is the mind skin connection in action. Stress releases cortisol, which can lead to inflammation and breakouts. But what if we could flip that? What if we could use our skin as a gateway to release our stress? This is the essence of holistic facial. It's a treatment that knows your skin's health is reflects your overall internal well-being. This is more than skincare. It's a conscious choice to care for our whole self. A holistic facial is designed to calm your nervous system, boost circulation, and support your body's natural detox and healing process. The goal is not perfection, it's connection. It's about building a nicer and kinder relationship with yourself, with your skin, with your wholeness. We're creating a ritual which is different from a routine. A routine is something that you do. It's your to-do list. It's something that maybe, you avoid doing or procrastinate. A ritual is something you experience. So let's set our intention now to be present, gentle, and give ourselves the love that we so easily give to everybody and everything else. So first, let's set up the scene. This part is just as important as the facial itself. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Maybe light a candle. Maybe put some soft ambient music. Maybe you can use some essential oils in a diffuser or a nice scented candle that you love. Have your products near you and a soft towel within reach so you can stay in this bubble of calm and you don't need to get out and in and out and in. Now, take one deep breath, inhale. As you exhale, let the day go. You're on your own sacred time now. What happened doesn't have place now. First, wash away the day. As we cleanse our skin, we cleanse our soul, let's say. Warm a gentle cleansing balm or oil, cleansing oil to start your first cleanse with your hand. And as you massage it into your skin, feel that it melting away your makeup and your sun protection that you use. And with every circle movement, visualize the stress of your day dissolving and disappearing into the oil. When you rinse, imagine it all dissolved, stress washing down the drain, and you use your cleanser for your second cleanse, the same thing. Wash away the stress, wash away the day. Let your face dry and try to feel now. How do you feel? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel more ready for pampering? The next part, is exfoliating, which we don't do more than once or twice a week. But in this, let's say this sacred ritual, it's not something that you maybe have time to do every day, and you do it once a week, perfect. So, exfoliating. On a deeper level, it's a powerful metaphor of consciously shedding what no longer serves you. As you apply a gentle exfoliate, think about the old stories or self-criticism you've been holding on to. With every light, circular motion, set an intention. I'm letting go of what is heavy and doesn't serve me. Remember to be gentle. This is a practice of ease, not punishment. You don't want to punish your skin. Gentle. When you rinse, you're revealing a fresh canvas ready to receive nourishment. And now let's say the heart of the ritual is a mask and a massage. Apply a generous layer of hydrating or calming mask, whatever you feel called to or whatever your skin needs at the moment. While it works, we go deeper with the massage. Gentle touch is something really important, and it's proven to shift you out of the survival mode, out of fight or flight mode, by activating your body's rest and digest and repair state. It lowers the stress hormone cortisol and releases feel-good hormones like endorphins and oxytocin. With a bit of facial oils, let's say a nice oil serum, begin. You can use your hands. You can use your knuckle to gently glide along the jawline from your chin towards your ear, like that, or very gentle, yeah? And feel the tension of the jaws, which we hold a lot here, melts. Gently circle your temple here for if you have any headache or tension. Then use your thumb and index finger to gently pinch along your eyebrows, releasing strain. With every touch, remind yourself, I am safe, I am cared for, I am loved. Just take a moment and feel that. Feel how your state has changed. Feel the calmness. If this sense of peace is resonating with you, keep going and share with us in the comment below how you felt and how your emotion changes. I'd love to know how you do it, what you felt, and if you commit to do this ritual once or twice a week. Now, gently remove the mask. The final step is seal all this goodness. As you press your favorite serum and moisturizer into your skin, feel how it's like being gratefully soaked up. This isn't just hydration or pampering, it's an offering. This final layer is an act of protection, sealing in the moisture, the hydration, and the intention of this ritual. It's a promise to carry that peace with you. And now, pause. Look at the mirror. See the visible glow and rested eyes and rested jaws. More importantly, feel the internal shift, the quiet in your mind. That radiance you see is not just from your beautiful products. It is a light of your own love and attention shining from the inside out. Because when we calm our mind, we calm our skin, and you just proved yourself that your well-being matters. So what we've done today is more than just a beauty treatment. We turned your routine into a sacred ritual. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. And this practice is here for you anytime you feel a bit overwhelmed or disconnected from yourself. And all you need is your own hands and the intention to be kind to yourself. If this video inspired you, I would be honored if you will join us, subscribe and like it, and share your experience in the comment. And if you want to experience the whole thing and being taken care of, you're very welcome to book your holistic facial in Amsterdam or Amstelveen. And keep taking care of yourself from the inside. Your skin would thank you.